Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a video share for Craspire. And I've showed you guys my haul that I've gotten some of the items before. I showed you the different heads that I've gotten from them. I have a total of 4 now. Did I just do the other one? I just moved it. No, it's in my hand. The last 2 I got with the square stamp one. Don't mind my hands, I got some black paint on it. A scroll and a calligraphy pen, or a feather pen, excuse me, and high heel. The last 2 was the letterhead and the scroll. Anyway, so I was just doing another project with them, and I ran out of my tea lights, so I had to use a votive. My tea lights were kind of weak and they weren't working, so I had to use a votive. I spilled some of the black in there, and then I got it on my hands. But anyway, so that's why my hands are dirty. So what I did was also use some ribbon that I had, just some different various ribbons, just to make some pulls. I messed up on a couple, like I said, broke this one up. And then I trimmed them. Then I also trimmed them. I got to show you that I used these Dollar Tree flowers that they had. They also had them in silver. I already had to show those in another haul. And I don't know if I should put the haul up with these on yet. But anyway, so I added those onto these, and that is how they turned out. So again, just I melted with the ribbon in there. Then I added the little bow with a glue dot to attach those. And these little dangles can be attached to, you know, a ribbon dangle. You can use a jump ring, a lobster claw, and, you know, connect it onto that one and have it connected up there. Or maybe you could, you know, get a jump ring and connect it to a pokey tool or anything like that. So just some other ideas that you can do is add these onto a key ring or anything like that, so they're not just, you know, that way, but you can leave them that way. You can put them on the earring hooks, anything like that that you would like to add them as an accessory. So that's what I have, and I'll show them up close. Again, like I said, you can add these onto any other project, you know, like a dangle like this, and have it as an edit. Just drop my pokey tool, or maybe onto a pokey tool or something like that. So anyway, that is what I made. So again, go to Craspire, excuse me, and check them out. Again, $5 off DaretoBeCreative 5 after you spend $40. And have you some wax melts and enjoy. I think you'll be satisfied, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye bye.